our friend to deceive you.
So what do we do now?
Don't worry. Take off. Track down the bad guy.
Wow!
Let's catch the bad guy. Where is the bad guy? Let's find him. Stop right there. Oh, I surrender. I surrender. Open the sack. Untie the rope.
Rocky! Quacky! Buffy! I thought I'd never see you again!
Kids, you should protect your name and photos, and don't ever give them to strangers.
Got it!
Sheriff Labrador, you are here. Oh, I just answered a phone call, and my child is lost. Count on me. What's your child wearing when got lost? My child is a little bear. He is wearing a blue hat. He's wearing a green outfit. He's wearing a small, not this color. The portrait is ready. Let's check the surveillance video to see if the little bear is still in the amusement park. Can you find the little bear shown on the portrait? Carousel. Can you find the little bear shown on the portrait? You got it! Good job! You are as cool as Sheriff Labrador. The little bear is near the carousel. Let's check it out. Kid, do not go with him. He is a bad guy. Sheriff Labrador. Stop right there. The bad guy has escaped. Let's chase him. Slide up to jump over the banana peels. Slide left and right to avoid the obstacles. Roller skates can help you run faster. You have caught the bad guy. Good job. You are as cool as Sheriff Labrador. The evil bad guy. Now Sheriff Labrador will arrest you. I am wrong. I will never do it again. Sheriff Labrador, thank you so much. You are welcome. This is my duty. Kids, keep up with your parents when going out. Never go with any strangers.
Sheriff Labrador, I will never go with strangers from now on.
Labrador, mission complete.
Wow, so many treasure chests.
Find all the treasure chests and you'll get a mysterious gift.
I want it, I want it. Found it!
Answer the questions correctly to open the treasure chest. Which one is the fake face created by AI?
Ta-dang! Hey!
Incorrect. Think again. Correct. Bad guys will use someone else's face to scam people. We can ask him to smile with his teeth showing. If he doesn't show his teeth, then it's probably a fake face made by AI. Congratulations, you got a piece.